Hi, Tutor LMS users. If you sell courses using Tutor LMS, I want you to think about the last quiz you built manually. How long did it take you? 10 minutes? 30? Or 2 hours or maybe 6 hours? Now multiply that by every module, every course, every cohort you'll ever teach. What if I told you that you could generate a full, ready-to-review quiz, true, false, multiple choice, fill in the blanks, all of it, in the time it takes to read this sentence? Introducing AI Quiz Generator for Tutor LMS. It's a WordPress plugin that does one job extremely well. It turns a subject and a few settings into real, importable Tutor LMS quiz questions using AI. Stick with me because by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to do that step by step using a plugin that plugs directly into the quiz system you're already using. Okay, let's actually install it and generate a quiz from scratch right now. Step 1. Installation. Download the plugin zip. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins and click Add New, then Upload Plugin. Select the zip, click Install Now, then Activate. One quick note, this plugin is a companion to Tutor LMS, not a replacement for it, so make sure Tutor LMS itself is installed and active first. If it's not, the plugin will let you know. Once it's active, look in your left-hand admin menu under Tutor LMS. You'll see two new items, AI Quiz Settings and AI Quiz Importer. Step 2. Configure your settings. Before we generate anything, we need to connect at least one AI provider. Click into AI Quiz Settings. Here's what you'll set up. Add your API keys. You can add 1, 2, or all 3, OpenAI, Claude, and Gemini. You only need one to get started, but adding more gives you that automatic fallback I mentioned earlier. Choose your primary provider. This is the one the plugin tries first. Pick your model from the drop-down for each provider. These drop-downs are kept clean on purpose. They default to solid, cost-effective models, and anything being phased out gets filtered from the list, so you're not stuck picking a model that's about to disappear. Set your defaults, default question count, default question type, default point value per question, and your passing grade. This just saves you clicks every time you generate a new quiz. Optional, add a custom system prompt. This gets appended to every single generation. Great for things like write in a friendly, encouraging tone or avoid jargon. Set it once, and it applies everywhere. Click Save Settings, then hit Test next to each provider to confirm your key actually works before you rely on it. That's your one-time setup. You will not need to touch this screen again unless you're changing providers or defaults. Now for the fun part, actually generating a quiz. Step 3. Generate a quiz. Head to Tutor LMS and click AI Quiz Importer. Enter your subject. Let's say we're teaching a course on basic photography, and this quiz is about aperture and depth of field. Just type that in, plain English like you're briefing a teaching assistant. Set your question count, say 8 questions. Choose your question type. True/false, single choice, multiple choice, open-ended, or fill in the blanks. Set the points per question if you want to override your default. Select the target course and topic. This is important. The plugin needs to know exactly where in your curriculum this quiz belongs, right down to the specific topic inside the course. If you want to guide this specific batch of questions beyond your saved system prompt, drop a note in the extra prompt field, something like focus on real-world camera settings, not just definitions. Click Generate with AI. And there it is. In seconds, you've got a full set of quiz questions generated and waiting for you. Now, this is the step a lot of AI quiz plugins skip, and it's the one that matters most: review. You get a preview of every question before anything is imported. Read through them. If a question is slightly off, edit it right there. If you don't like one, remove it. This keeps you, the instructor, as the final say on what your students are actually tested on. AI gets you 90% of the way there instantly. You polish the last 10%. Step 4. Import into Tutor LMS. Once you're happy with the generated questions, select the course and topic where you want to attach the quiz, then click Import into Tutor LMS. Because this plugin uses Tutor's own native quiz saving system, the quiz is created exactly like one you built by hand. It's not a workaround, it's the real thing. To see it, click Open Course Builder, or if you already have the builder open in another tab, just refresh it. Head to Curriculum, find your topic, and there's your quiz, fully built, sitting right where it belongs. That's it. Quiz questions are correctly attached to the course. If you've ever put off building a quiz because you just didn't have the time, this is the plugin that gets that time back. Link is right below this video. Go grab AI Quiz Generator for Tutor LMS, connect your API key, and generate your first quiz in the next 5 minutes. If this saved you time, drop a like and let me know in the comments which subject you're generating your first quiz for. See you in the next one.